To make the brownies, start by placing the dates in a small pot, adding just enough water to cover them. Bring the water to a boil and allow the dates to cook for about a minute, just long enough to soften them. After boiling the dates, which I've already done, strain the water and add the dates into a bowl or processor. Using an immersion blender or a food processor, process the dates. It should look like a paste when it's done. Next, it's time to put it all together. Start this by whisking the salt and the cocoa powder in with the ground nut mixture. Next, mix in the green tea and matcha. Once all the dry ingredients are combined, fold in the date mixture and cacao nibs. It will look like a thick but spreadable paste. Mix thoroughly so that your cocoa powder, all your dry ingredients, are thoroughly mixed in with the date mixture. We really want to combine all those dry ingredients in with the dates. There we go. Check the bottom of the bowl to make sure that no cocoa powder is found there either. Looking good. All right. It is going to be a thick, heavy paste. After the brownie mixture is good to go, prepare the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch pan with parchment and give it a light spray. Then go ahead and spread the mixture evenly into the pan. Try to evenly coat the pan from edge to edge. The paste is going to kind of slip a little bit in the pan, so just take your time and make sure that you even it out. We want a nice, flat, uniform layer. And I find that using just a small mini offset spatula works best for this. Now that the brownies are prepared, allow them to cool in the freezer while preparing the frosting. The frosting recipe uses an avocado base and is combined with cocoa powder, agave nectar, and melted coconut oil. To make the frosting, simply add all the ingredients to a food processor and process until smooth with no visible lumps. It will look just like a regular whipped frosting. check it. One more minute. Okay, I think we look good. As you can see, the texture is exactly like a regular whipped frosting. After the frosting is ready, remove the brownie base from the freezer and spread the frosting evenly on top. It's a lot of frosting, but do not be shy. And just like before, I just like using a mini offset and evenly spreading the icing around. Make sure you get to all 4 corners again. Just level it out. Okay. Once it's frosted, return the brownies to the freezer to set for 2 hours, which will help them cut smoothly for presentation. After they are set, slice them as desired and dust with matcha before serving.